A Florida aircraft manufacturing company has joined the fight against coronavirus. COVID-19 is spread via droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes without covering their face. Engineers at Piper Aircraft now are helping nurses and doctors in Florida and Ohio by designing and mass producing face shields that prevent the transmission of the virus from infected patients.
Once we designed the face shield based on some other designs that we found online. Once we did that, we were able to then map out the process for building the face shield.
Yeah, this all started when a senior executive at Piper got in contact with the CEO and asked the CEO what could the company do to help these doctors and nurses on the front line battling coronavirus. That's when the CEO went to the engineers who came up with the idea of building face shields to prevent infection.
For decades, Piper Aircraft have always maintained a global reputation as a leader in the manufacturing of propeller and turboprop planes. But now the aircraft manufacturer has jumped into the fight against coronavirus by designing and mass producing these face shields for doctors and nurses who are working in hospitals across Florida, hospitals where protection gear against coronavirus is running low.
It's a thin piece of plastic that goes from roughly your forehead down just below your chin line, and kind of wraps around so your eyes are kind of protected as well as your nose and your mouth. There's a piece of foam to keep it comfortable on your forehead, and then a piece of elastic that runs around the back of your head to keep it in place.
The shields are not complex from a design standpoint,
but certainly very effective from a medical standpoint.
Effective because the shielding prevents the virus from being inhaled or ingested and allows enough protection to prevent particles from getting into the eyes when an infected person sneezes or coughs. In the beginning, the plastic that was first used to make the shields came from leftover materials used in the aircraft manufacturing process. Then, when the leftover materials ran out, the company began purchasing plastic from its vendors to make more shields. Engineers are now mass producing the shields at an alarming rate so that they can be distributed to hospitals that request help.
And we were able to optimize it to the point where we can actually make just under 2,000 daily.
So far, the Cleveland Clinic Health System, which operates hospitals throughout Ohio and South Florida, have been the ones ordering the shields. But Piper engineers believe other hospitals, including ones here in Jacksonville, will soon request those face shields.
Piper Aircraft, which is also located in Vero Beach, recently donated more than 1,300 of those N95 masks to a hospital near the company's headquarters. Reporting live, Eric Avignon, Channel 4, the local station.